Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our SHOWCHROME touring windshield for the Can-Am Spyder F3T and F3 Limited models. If you think the factory windshield that came with your Can-Am Spyder F3 Touring or F3 Limited is a bit on the
tiny side,
you're not alone. We partnered up with our friends over at SHOWCHROME Accessories to bring you a new clear windshield upgrade that is 9.5 inches wider and 12.5 inches taller than the stock shield. These increased dimensions will allow the wind to flow around you, reducing wind fatigue and your risk of getting nailed by road debris.
To install, start by unscrewing these 4 factory T25 Torx screws to remove your stock windscreen.
Now before you put the new shield on, you're going to want to add a little dab of removable thread lock to the holes. Normally you would add the thread lock to the screw, but if you do that, you'll run the risk of the thread lock seriously damaging the shield if it gets on it.
Then take the new screw, add a black plastic washer and rubber washer, slide it through your new shield, followed by a white spacer on the backside, and screw those into the factory holes finger tight for now. Next, take a 3mm Allen wrench and go back through and tighten those all down so that they're nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten.
Also included in the kit are going to be 2 more spacers and 2 more longer screws. Now these will allow you to adjust the angle of the windshield depending on your preference. So to do this, simply loosen the bottom 2 screws, then remove the top,
add the second spacer, and then tighten down with the new longer screw.
And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, once you get out on the open road with your new windshield, you'll immediately notice the wind reduction to your head and upper torso, and the optical clarity the shield makes is perfect for night riding as well. Now, if you'd like to go from this to this, then be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com today and grab a new windshield for your Can-Am Spyder F3T or F3 Limited model. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.